Hey everyone, welcome back. In this full step-by-step guide, I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp for small business in 2026. Whether you're running a solo business or managing a small team, ClickUp can help you stay organized, save time, and grow without chaos. So yeah, let's start from the very beginning. First, open your browser and go to the ClickUp website. Once the page loads, sign in to your ClickUp account using your email and password. If you normally use SSO, just select your provider and log in. After signing in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard where all your business work is managed. Now, the first step for small businesses is setting up a clean structure. Use spaces for major areas like sales, marketing, operations, and finance. Inside each space, create folders for projects or departments and lists to manage daily tasks. This structure keeps everything separated but still easy to access. Next, start creating tasks for your daily business work. Tasks can represent client work, orders, content creation, invoices, or follow-ups. Assign tasks to team members, set due dates, and update statuses so everyone knows what's being worked on. Yeah, this alone removes a lot of confusion. Views are extremely helpful for small businesses. Use List View for detailed task tracking, Board View to manage workflows visually, Calendar View for deadlines, and Table View if you want a spreadsheet style layout. You can even set default views so your team always sees tasks the same way. Automation is a huge time saver. Use ClickUp automations to automatically move tasks, assign work, or send notifications when something changes. This reduces manual follow-ups and lets you focus more on growing your business instead of managing tasks. ClickUp also includes docs, which are perfect for creating SOPs, onboarding guides, meeting notes, or internal documentation. You can link docs directly to tasks so information stays connected to the work. For tracking progress, use dashboards. Dashboards give you a real-time overview of sales tasks, client work, deadlines, and team workload. This is especially useful for business owners who want quick insights without digging into each list. Don't forget to adjust notifications and permissions. Set notifications so you only get important updates, and control access so team members only see what they need. This keeps your workspace focused and secure. And that's it. That's how to use ClickUp for small business in 2026 step by step to stay organized and scale efficiently. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, share it with other business owners, and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tutorials. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next